My husband is the type that anything you do, he has something to say about it. It takes only me to be able to stay with that man. It's only me that can say any woman will run. He's a very controversial person, very difficult to live with. It's an Akyem man who wants to drag every issue. My husband would like you to pound the fufu. My husband doesn't believe in neat fufu. I'm sorry, but he doesn't believe in it. He doesn't believe in put soup in the fridge for 3 days. No, he believes in fresh. Even when he knows I am a bit, he believes in doing fresh soup. It's around 11:30, 12 p.m. So I should get down and prepare him for while he knows I'm just coming from a preaching appointment. And he didn't do anything. He was just sleeping and he waited for me to come. When I came, he told me to get down. He waited for me to climb up. When he came, he saw me relaxing on the bed. He said, "Mommy, can you get down and prepare this for me?"
Finally, Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro, oye marriage counselor that was screen abekasa afọ nini kunu Solomon Oduro awade mu nsensem abegentre ha ma eno nam so Ghana fo ye nyina ye ka biye no ye mami ababekasa echire mu asam ne ba ye no ase Ghana fo bi ejeje no an ana wo ye ware ni ana wo sori awutu amanfofo enso awade ye kura no enye na o chire mu ze Ghana fo ye kasa na ono kura no ahomachi nyina ne kunu Solomon Oduro ema no wo fufu ahomachi be se 12 ne eye 1 am nyina ensem de ye o se na bi ko so awade no mu asam no onya nkasa na ase Ghana fo ye bone so bo but me de ho amane bone nso e de brewo medical catch us asem no nso e kokota ni nyina na exclusive no me de e brewo mesel so ba no subscribe no share na abusua no atumi akoso ayekese na before me de nsem ni nyina no e de bebrewo no Mekan for Charistic Company Limited in Dromode Abedjaman so your friend is Amish and is Aji capsules to the amount. Say, ya don't be a begini Pedriana contents or buy a ne doom fichi quechi out yaw, ever wasi, Fidian Bronos will be a tomato on Caswaku, Fichico, Moja, a chase a flow at the mouth, I won't say boom, and may ye 2-3 days in a battle tota. Kwajin penifundwe be Valentine babema de wani je ejina mpam enti ope eduru betumi adu ho danse wo mpamu pa betumi am wagina so brania ye zaman capsules na mekanfo de amount se ebesisi ade se sexual weakness and as low strength counts na bebeja so a kwaje empenifundwe ye friend zaman capsules ni ndro ye Google screen ni so nyina bi na ndro ye dia human dia tum se ye open do to akofuma sini herbal store sa unsa abeka empenifo ndro ye amabobo so yi ebi. Now, abusia yemra yensem no so. Na fiti nano dwada na etwam na no pa. Ana ye maamia ye frɛ no Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro. Ono futuni ewo awade mu ye be friend say counselor. Oye marriage counselor. Mami one ni kunu hu sensem abeje ntena ha wo internet super highway social media ne so. Ni kunu ye frɛ no Apostle Solomon Oduro. Eni omuji omudin papa say na me kase o mawade no edni nam nkonkon so a kyese. Awade no ya guno se te ama asam no kura no mpanifo kire mu se edu abusuafo anim ama mpanifo kura twitwa awade anim me na me kase ekokot na eni asam no ba ne Ghana fo bebede na atwe na esra ne abasa ema papa ya ye fe no Apostle Solomon Oduro e de letter e da screen chamber kire mu se ne ye ombre no ho asem fama no eni mami ye kase dawse hwan David na ni edenden kura mama me no kura wakase ampa na ni edin
baby am fi zongo enti me ni edin na me din se me brem wase wo se me ntena ha che me de enti am ntena ha ni edin se mu ade me ntimi pretend and atena akra me ntimi
na abusua ne ensem de bebere na akoso ne nyina mu no nso no mo sonfo dankwasi prince amiti ya ni nyina ne de akire se ne awonso no wa subscribe a wo hwe ye nso behu de e kone de ba wa manfo awade mu na ensem ne ba ye no ye ma me counselor osan ye futuni a ye frɛ no Charlotte Oduro unim se na no bi ogojina ne kunu asore dem ekotu emebunu ne empanimfofo ewo mawade mu kire se ne kunu aye frɛ no Solomon Oduro ebe chese obepon adwuma ba no oba no bepon adwuma ba bia no na ne kunu de aduane tata no beba no na ne kunu adawu ba ohun se ono Charlotte Oduro na ba pe ne kunu se komode no ene fufu ahomachi nyina papa yesi osori edi fufu.
If a man marries a woman that is convinced by material things, that man you are dead. If a woman will divorce a man because he has no money, he can't perform in bed, he has issues with business, that woman, shame on you. Because if the man will make it in life, you carry the power. If your husband's business collapse, it takes a prayerful woman to activate the power for the man to start working again. The moment a woman complains and says, my husband can't take care of me, so mommy, I want divorce, I don't have time to waste on you. Your husband made a mistake. Because God made women, our system is so strong to the extent that the things women can take, men can't take it. I'm telling you. The pain, the joy, the sacrifices that a woman can take, men can't take it. Hallelujah. I don't believe in women who are weak. Weak in the sense that they tell me, Mommy, I don't know what is happening, but I think I made a mistake in the marriage and I want out and no. Even if it's a mistake, you can correct it. There are women here who are just of Mommy said something with their nails. So they are ben kwai. No more riaye. No inside wo fufu. There are men who eat meat fufu. Shabo men. My husband would like you to pound the fufu. My husband doesn't believe in meat fufu. I'm sorry, but he doesn't believe in it. He doesn't believe in put soup in the fridge for 3 days. No, he believes in fresh. Even when he knows I am a bit, he believes in doing fresh soup. And he's the type that anything you do, he has something to say about it. That is my husband. So before I came Thursday, I was preparing soup. And one of my girls, Juliet, was around. Then my husband came and said that I'm going to give you money to prepare different soups. And I said, Juliet, you are in trouble. Because whether you prepare it well or not, he will still have something to say. It takes only me to be able to stay with that man. It's only me that can say any woman will run. He's a very controversial person, very difficult to live with. It's an Akyem man who wants to drag every issue. That is my husband. So I was ordained, born for him. Oh, I was ordained and born. I have nothing to say. Sometimes when he tells me, get down, prepare me food, it's around 11:30, 12 p.m. So I should get down and prepare him food while he knows I'm just coming from a preaching appointment. And he didn't do anything. He was just sleeping and he waited for me to come. When I came, he told me to get down. He waited for me to climb up. When he came, he saw me relaxing on the bed. He said, Mommy, can you get down and prepare this for me? And I get up. I said, God, lead me on. If you don't lead me on, I will say something. We will fight, and I love fighting. So I get up and I look at his face and I tell him, I'm getting down. Thinking that when I repeat it, he will change his mind. He watches me to get down. And whilst I'm doing it downstairs, he will call me and tell me, Penny say. And when I pick the phone sometimes, when he finished talking, I look as if he's looking at me, but he's not. And I said, Father, help me. And I put my phone down. When I finished, I said, the food is ready. And sometimes he will eat, and when he finished eating, he still wants to complain. I don't say anything, I just go and sleep. And I say, God, when I get to heaven, you have answers to give to me. Because I don't know why you gave me this man. But I thank you for giving him to me. Because he's the only one that has been able to discipline me. So there are women here who say that they will not allow their husbands to discipline them. Then I don't know why you marry that man. Every man is a groom to groom and train a woman to become a woman. If you can't allow your husband to groom you, you are not the wife. Go and stay alone. Don't ever say that we have equal rights in marriage. Nobody has. There is no right in any marriage. The man is a man, the woman is a woman. Love your place, let him love his place. When we get into marriage, don't say when we are one. It means that if I sweep, he can sweep. If he wants to sweep, let him sweep. If he won't sweep, it's not by force, sweep. Because people in abroad, they are watching me live. People in abroad, when you get into that system, because of the busy schedules, we need to share. Don't force it on the man. Don't force it. Respect him and he will do it. Don't tell him you do it, I can also do it. We all can cook if we can eat. No. It is an honor for a woman to cook and a husband to eat and enjoy it. It's an honor. I want to see my husband eat all my food, and I know what dear you are mean. So if you think you should share, and I love it today when I called myself, have you eaten? And they said, come with me. So I said, yes, I am not there. It makes me feel that you are missing my presence because I have to cook for you to eat. And I'm happy you can tell me I am hungry. It means you should be hungry until I come and prepare food on your table for you to eat. It is me, a woman. That makes me feel complete. Not my certificate. Certificate doesn't count in marriage. So those who believe in I have done my PhD, forget PhD. It's in your office. That the PhD has got power. In the house of your husband, PhDs. Put it aside and stop your pride and never blah.
Awusia na maame ne kasa ne bi eno no a ensem de bebire na akoso a ye bekoso de ene de ensem na chi ene nso mate ne nkasa ne ensem no da so wo kota ne nyina no ye na episode mu no ye de bebrew enti mesere so wa bokoso ma ofidie na da ha na bibiem no nso anya update ne de bekoso nyina no ye de abrew na before me jam ho ame akono me kan for Charistic Company Limited in Dre friend is Amisha ana zaji capsules with the amount say ebe infection bacteria si bia beji ni pedua na kentenso oba aya na edun fiti kwachi awoti ya wuti pains was if eduan bro no so bia tumeti nkaso wa konfiti kuma kwaje impenifun bi infertility ulcer prostate problems ya boni wampa no echira kwan ye be how that chin kwaje bi oba edun fiti kwachi a unhu moja so ye ema ode po ama enka senti mo ase kwaje impenifun bi na omo hindi e ba mesha no e ba malaria fever typhoid diabetes so blood pressure na ya de tai kosora e wadru ni hindi e ba mesha na edru yi FDA ahwema dia tum say yes anso na mekanfo zaman capsules nso e de amount say zaman capsules nso metene so na ma sorry say edru yi e abranefo aduro emema edu oye say odo yero komuchu aka nchima be kompem na ho asane egufo makoje mpanimfo ndro bi oyo bi aya sisi ade tai hawa e wadru low sperm count sexual weakness e wadru ne zaman capsules na ndro yi FDA ahwema dia tum say ye open do to akofuma sene ba store sound sabe kempanimfo ndro bi ye from dan Kwasi Prince Macau.